What is the phenomenon behind sudden increase in market value? Industry expert Ms. Amrita is with us today to explain this with an example.
But there are a lot of examples, be it the craze for mid cap and small cap stocks and funds in 2017, be it technology bubble and technology bubble bust of late 90s and early 2000. There are dime a dozen examples. In fact, I'd like to start with one very earlier market bubble, which happened in the 1600s, which is called the tulip mania. Now, what is tulip mania was that when you see, if you are fond of Hindi movies, you would have known Yash Chopra and Yash Raj movies. Most of those movies were shot in Switzerland and Netherlands and all of that. And you would see songs with lots of tulip flowers. So Netherlands or Holland is known for tulip flowers. But did you know that tulip flower is not naturally grown in Netherlands? It was imported from Constantinople, which is today called Istanbul of Turkey. It was actually imported from Turkey, Istanbul to Holland, and people were crazy about tulip flower. So much so that tulip flower was listed in Amsterdam Stock Exchange. There were laws and rules governing around it, and investors were selling their homes, stocks, and buying tulip flowers. It was treated as a commodity. Now, by the way, a flower withers away the next couple of hours or the next day. It has no intrinsic value. At least even gold has some value. Silver has lot of industrial usage, but a flower does not have any industrial usage or any value at all. And at the peak of the craze and hype, it was sold for $1 million. But then how much can you keep on buying at hefty prices? At one fine day, this entire tulip market crashed. The prices crashed by 90%. Investors lost a lot of money. And the price which was quoting of that of a big bungalow came crashing down to that of an onion. So not just ancient examples, there are a lot of examples where market bubbles persist.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.